This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and launching the setup. Open Settings and check Android version and network. Make sure Google app is updated. Next, open the Google app and sign into your account if you haven't already. Grant microphone access so voice detection works, then enable notifications so Assistant can display responses. Once done, tap More, go to Settings Voice to start the activation flow. This gets you into the hands-on steps required to train and enable Assistant. Continue by enabling Assistant features and teaching it your voice. Go into Search, Assistant and Voice and select Voice Match. Switch on Hey Google and follow the short voice prompts to create a voice model. Make sure the chosen language matches your speech and enable voice responses. Also allow Assistant on the lock screen if you want quick access. These steps let Assistant recognize you reliably and respond with appropriate audio and visual cues. Make sure each prompt completes before moving on. Finish by testing and customizing Assistant to suit daily use. Say Hey Google and run 3 quick commands, ask for the time, weather, and set a 1-minute timer to confirm functionality. Then open Assistant settings to add routines, enable personal results, and link smart home devices. If activation fails, reboot the phone, retrain the voice match model, and clear the Google App Cache. If problems persist, check microphone permissions and network. That one troubleshooting tip, retrain voice match, resolves most recognition issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.